Your cat, look, it's Costco chicken garlic roast. Hmm? No, no, no. No, cat, you can't eat this. Look. You eat that, you get sick. I'm gonna take him to the vet. Come on, eat this. No, forget about chicken. This is better. Look. Look, you should go home now. Hmm? Have some food? Huh? Ah, I can't. Let me get this open. There you go. You want some catnips? No more, that's it. Now you gotta go home. Yeah, that's the only time you talk to me? Yeah? Here you go. Yeah. Hey, old man. Bring toys. I think they forgot about you. That's right. Yeah, you know they're home. Oh, there it is. Hi, hi. Hi. Promise.
Thank you.